As AI voice tools continue to improve, it's no surprise that content creators are eager to give it a try, especially on platforms like YouTube. Here on Fiverr, we can see that the demand for AI voice services is quite high. And if you're just starting out in the world of YouTube automation, you probably can't afford to shell out hundreds of dollars for a professional voiceover artist. This begs the question, can AI voice channels be monetized? And if so, is there even a point in using a real human voice in your videos anymore? Let's start from the beginning. Are there any clear rules from YouTube that state you cannot monetize an AI voice channel? The answer is no. YouTube has never listed human voiceovers as a requirement to be accepted into the AdSense program. However, people seem to be making a big deal about this aspect of faceless channels. After all, no one wants to risk being demonetized after putting weeks or even months of tremendous work into their channel. We conducted some research to find out if text-to-speech channels have been monetized, and the results may surprise you. Take, for example, Trading Rush, a channel with over 300,000 subscribers and videos averaging around 1 million views, which uses AI voice software. Another monetized channel in the finance, investment, and trading niche is Crypto Giant. Although it has fewer subscriptions than Trading Rush, it is on the right track with consistent uploads and audience growth. These channels serve as evidence that text-to-speech channels are eligible for the AdSense program. In our research, we came across a channel called Veldoka Kun, with almost 100,000 subscribers that got demonetized. The reason for this is unclear, with some speculating it may be due to the low quality of their AI voiceover, while others believe it could be due to copyright issues as the channel heavily features cartoons. However, the Healthy Habits channel offers a different example. They started with text-to-speech software and later transitioned to using a professional voiceover artist. The difference in the quality of the videos is evident. This shows that you can start with AI voiceovers and then invest in a professional voiceover artist when your budget allows. Looking beyond the debate over human versus AI voices, the ultimate question is whether people will find your content worth watching. Our research shows that both options have a dedicated audience. Although there are viewers who prefer human voiceovers, if your content is engaging, informative, or entertaining, they won't mind a robotic voice. Moreover, AI voice tools are continuously improving, producing more natural-sounding voices. Interestingly, it appears that YouTube shares the same sentiment as viewers. The platform seems to prioritize channels that provide valuable content while penalizing those that don't. In the near future, we predict, based on our research on faceless channels, that YouTube will become more selective, weeding out low-quality content. Ultimately, the platform's aim is to maintain its dominance in the audiovisual industry by providing viewers with binge-worthy videos. And that's how YouTube earns its revenue. If you're looking to get a slice of the YouTube pie, you need to remember that the platform's ultimate goal is to provide viewers with quality content that they can't get enough of. As YouTubers, we always recommend building a genuine brand, which is why we suggest hiring voiceover artists from platforms like Fiverr. However, we understand that sometimes starting with what you have is better than not starting at all. So while we don't endorse using text-to-speech software in the long run, there's no harm in using it initially and then transitioning to a human voice once you have the funds to invest. And since smart work is necessary to create a successful faceless channel, watch the following video by clicking right here and find out the reality behind the easy, lazy side hustle culture, especially when it comes to YouTube content creation.